name's Nadia Baudouin. Really enjoyed the day. I've taken a lot away from it. I feel quite motivated. I'm going to be going away. I'm thinking about my goal that I wrote down, which is to get fit. I'm going to research a gym, timetable my week, and hopefully this time next year I'll be there and I'll have a new goal. So thanks so much, Errol. I really enjoyed it.
Hey, what's up? My name's Cara. I'm hair by name, hair by nature, right? I've really loved the talk today. It was really inspirational, really informative, and it helped me reaffirm my belief that I've always known that the only thing standing in my way, the man in the mirror. So force yourself through it, remember your discipline, remember the reason, remember your why and why you do it. Aim for the sky.
Brilliant.
My name's Jermaine Barclay. I really took a lot from today's inspirational talk from Errol. So thank you very much, Errol. And I really enjoyed it, and I actually found that you were the best motivational speaker I've ever come across, so thank you.
Thank you.
So for me, my name is Sushma Acharya, and I want to say big thanks to Errol. I've pursued him, and he's come to talk to myself and my colleagues, and what did I gain from this? Not a 4-minute rule, but a 3-minute rule for myself. But, it's bouncing back and be true to yourself. Believe in yourself. I can and I will, and that's what I've taken away from today. So great.
Hi, I'm Rajinder here. Thank you, Errol, for today's presentation. It was really inspirational. Love the whole mindset thing of being in the positive zone. I'm going to get myself trained up into that, being almost that 2%. And not go into a mood hoover or recognise when someone is being a mood hoover, get them out of that position and get them into the 2%. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I'm Mandy Poroval, and I will say that I'm usually sceptical about these things, and I have to say that actually the examples that you used and the situation scenarios there were actually relatable, so you could actually see yourself either sometimes being in the 2%, in the middle, and potentially on occasions being a mood hoover. So I think for me, definitely, I think it's the impact you have on others, I think. So one of my intentions is to try and be more positive first thing in the morning and not be one of these people who say, don't talk to me. So I think that's, so I was pleasantly surprised and glad I came.
Hi, I'm Barrington Tucker. What have I got out of today? Well, I've got out that I love smiling, so that's me. I'm bringing my smile to work every morning. Okay, it may only last 5 minutes, no, it will last a lot longer. Okay, I think what I really got out of that is that it's who you are, it's what you bring to the table. So being able to bring your real self to the table, my big smile, okay, my enthusiasm, I really got that. Errol, thank you very much. You made it great for Nottingham.